Kit and Coco.
Hello, whale. 2 whales. Toucan. Hello, toucan. It's 2 cats, a black cat and a white cat. Hello, raccoon. It's a raccoon. What a lovely stripy tail. It's a rabbit coming hopping in. Hey, rabbit. It's a lamb. Hello, lamb. It's a leopard. Hello, leopard. It's a beautiful fish, stripy. Hello, polar bear. Polar bear. It's a yellow bird, nice blue beak. It's a wild boar. Hello, wild boar. Hey, brown bear. Hello, black bear. Hello, monkeys. 3 monkeys. Hello, monkeys. It's a sea turtle. 2 sea turtles. 1, 2. Hello, deer family. It's a deer family. It's an elephant. Hello, elephant. And 2 baby elephants. Lovely elephant family. It's an alligator. It's 2 alligators. Hey, guys. It's 2 baby giraffes. Hello, and a mama giraffe. Hey, giraffe family. Hello. Nice spots you've got. It's a koala. Hey, koala. I can see a grey horse. Hello, horse. It's another yellow bird with an orange beak. Hey, panda. Hello, panda. And a baby panda. Hello, pandas. 2 squirrels. Hey, squirrels. It's a red bird. Hello, red bird. I can see a sloth. Hey, sloth. Hello, sloth. Oh, I can see a lion family. Daddy lion and a baby lion. It's a white tiger. Hello, white tiger. Cow. Hello, cow. Mrrr. 2 llamas. Hello, llamas. It's a grey squirrel. Hello, squirrel. I can see a chimpanzee. Hello, ducks. Quack, quack. It's a fox. Hello, fox. Penguins. Hello, penguins.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Kit and Coco.